We stand at a remarkable moment in human history. Humanoid robots are here, no longer science fiction, but reality. Two titans lead this revolution. Tesla's Optimus Gen 3 from the US and Unitree's G1 from China. Their rivalry is more than a race for market share. It's a test of what machines can become. The idea of a machine in our image is both thrilling and unsettling. What does it mean to be human? Can a machine truly learn, or only mimic? These robots are not just tools, they're the first partners in a new era. The boundary between biology and machinery is blurring. Just a few years ago, walking robots were clumsy and slow. Now they move with agility, navigate complex spaces, and learn from experience. Tesla's Optimus and Unitree's G1 are the current pinnacles of this progress. Each represents a unique vision for the future of humanoids. We'll explore how they think, move, and the dreams behind their creation. This is more than a technical comparison. It's a glimpse at two futures for humanity and technology. The humanoid age has begun. At Tesla, the vision for Optimus Gen 3 is clear. Build a robot that can truly think. Elon Musk's team is creating a mind that can learn and adapt, not just follow instructions. Optimus's intelligence comes from a neural network, the same tech behind Tesla's self-driving cars. It learns by watching humans, not by being programmed step by step. Every movement is calculated in real time, based on what it sees. Demonstrations show Optimus balancing, navigating busy spaces, and handling delicate objects. The focus isn't brute strength, but control and finesse. Musk envisions fleets of Optimus robots, revolutionizing manufacturing and labor. The goal: a general-purpose worker, able to learn any human task. Build a robot smart enough to understand our world, and it can do anything in it. This is Tesla's bet, a future built on artificial intelligence. In China, Unitree Robotics takes a different approach. The G1 humanoid is built for resilience, not just intelligence. It's designed to survive in messy, unpredictable environments. Smaller and lighter than Optimus, G1 is agile and acrobatic. Videos show it being kicked, pushed, and knocked down, always getting back up. Unitree's strategy: make G1 tough, affordable, and accessible to all. By releasing it widely, they invite rapid improvement and new uses. G1 learns by mimicking human movement, focusing on physical mastery. It's a physical prodigy, intelligence embodied in motion. For Unitree, a robot's ability to stay on its feet is paramount. Their message: resilience comes first. Side by side, Optimus and G1 reveal two philosophies: mind versus body. Tesla's top-down approach bets on advanced AI. If the mind is powerful, the body will follow. Optimus is a software-defined robot, learning from video and operating autonomously. The goal: artificial general intelligence in a humanoid form. The body is the vessel, the AI is the soul. Unitree's bottom-up approach starts with the body. G1 is built for resilience, agility, and affordability. Their focus: a robust platform that can handle the real world. They invite the global community to build the brains for their brawny machine. It's a bet on collective innovation and physical mastery. The G1 proves that movement is the foundation of usefulness. Two paths: intelligence first or embodiment first, race toward the same goal. Which will win? The Optimus G1 rivalry mirrors a larger contest, US versus China, in tech innovation. The US excels at software-driven breakthroughs. Tesla's Optimus fits this mold. It's a bold, high-risk push for AI dominance. Success could define the robot market for decades. China's strategy is pragmatic: master, scale, and perfect hardware. Unitree's G1 is robust, affordable, and mass-producible. Their goal: market dominance through accessibility and scale. This reflects China's industrial policy: be the world's factory for future tech. The showdown is more than corporate rivalry. It's a glimpse into two models of innovation. The outcome will shape the future of robotics worldwide. Humanoid robots like Optimus and G1 signal a new era, one as profound as the Industrial Revolution. Factories and warehouses will feel the first impact robots working tirelessly, reshaping supply chains. Robots will take over dull, dirty, and dangerous jobs, boosting productivity and safety. But this will disrupt millions of human jobs, demanding a rethink of education and work. Human labor will shift toward creativity, critical thinking, and interpersonal skills. Beyond factories, robots could assist the elderly, work in disaster zones, or build on the moon. G1's resilience suits harsh environments. Optimus's intelligence fits hospitals and labs. Soon, humanoid robots could be as common as cars or smartphones. They'll handle chores, care, and more, freeing us for higher pursuits. This isn't universal unemployment, but a redefinition of purpose. The transition will be challenging, but the reward is a world with less drudgery. Optimus and G1 are building this future. The transformation has begun. Who will win, Optimus or G1? The answer may be both. Tesla's strength is AI. If they solve general intelligence, Optimus could change everything, but it's still expensive and untested in the real world. Unitree's G1 is tough, affordable, and open to global innovation. Its challenge unifying its hardware with powerful AI. The race is accelerating innovation. Each leap pushes the other forward. We may see a convergence. Tesla making Optimus more robust, Unitree investing in smarter AI. The ultimate winner may combine Tesla's brain with Unitree's brawn. We are witnessing the birth of true artificial companions, tools to help us build, explore, and dream. The future is walking toward us on two legs.
Love exploring the world of technology and AI? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NeoTech-Lens for more insightful and exciting content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech and AI innovations. Your support fuels our journey into the future of technology.